Hi, sir. I'm fine, sir.
All right. So we are done with the alkynes, but there is something more we need to discuss, okay? And whatever points I'm going to tell you guys, remember it is going to be additional points, which is going to be very, very helpful. Moreover, remember the reactions what we are doing are not just the reactions. I have told this before, I'm telling you again. They are conversions. Today we will discuss questions on conversions. So you will get the idea how exam questions comes. Okay, clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So first of all, yeah, hi Ritvik, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Okay, so first of all, let's take one reaction. Okay, so guys, basically it's about first thing is about preparation of alkynes from chloroform. Guys, tell me what's the formula of chloroform? Chloroform which is used for anesthesia. Ritvik, remember we are discussing something more, a bit more on alkene and alkynes before we start aromatic compounds. Okay, benzene.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So guys, tell me what is the formula of chloroform, everyone?
Sir,
CH?
is it CHCl3?
Yes, it is CHCl3. Yeah, hi Tanuj. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good, sir.
All right. So Tanuj, we are doing some more points on alkene and alkynes before we start benzene. So take a note of it quickly. We are discussing one preparation method of alkynes from the chloroform. Okay. So remember, if they give you a chloroform and if they ask you to convert it to alkynes, you should know. Okay. Chloroform is nothing but one of the alkyl halides, right? It's a trihalide. Three halogens are there, right? CHCl3. So what will you do in the chloroform in order to make it to alkynes? So you need to know you will use here not just one CHCl3 but two. Okay. So it's not wrong to say we will take two chloroform. Now tell me, one chloroform has how many carbons? How many is there? One chloroform has only one carbon, right? So 2 moles of chloroform will have two carbons, correct? Now, this you will react it with silver. What you will use? Silver. Silver, what it will do? Silver being a electropositive metal will remove the halogens. And in the end, what will happen? CH, C2H2. From CH, it will become C2H2. I think everyone's getting the idea, right? Tanishka, you're getting the clue how things will work?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you will use 6 silver. Why are we using 6 silver? First of all, silver valency is +1 and 6 see 2 into 3 is 6 chlorine is there. In order to remove 6 chlorine, we need 6 silver. So as a result, what will happen? Tell me, 6 AgCl will be removed plus what do we get? Exactly, we will get a triple bond. Okay, Ananya, did you understood this reaction?
Yes, sir.
It's a very easy peasy reaction which is going to make your job easier. Okay, now let's think about like this. What if they tell you to convert alkane into alkyne? See, we all know how do we convert alkyne to alkane by catalytic hydrogenation. But how will you do alkane to alkyne? So what you will do, first you will convert alkane into chloroform, controlled chlorination, you can say, right? In the presence of sunlight and right free radical mechanism. So once you get chloroform, then you will react with silver and you'll get into alkynes because that's the way, right? Is it clear for everyone? So we'll say we'll do controlled chlorination. Okay, controlled. Is it clear for everyone? Guys, take a note. So Tanishka, you're getting the idea, right? Advitya,
Yes.
Shreya, are you guys getting it now? Advitya, do you hear me? Advitya and Shreya, guys, kindly reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Advitya, when you have chemistry exam, it's on 22nd, right?
Yeah, on Monday.
On Monday. Okay. So Advitya, tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow is Sunday. Let me know when you are planning to come. If you have doubts, you can sit with me and clarify your doubts. Okay.
Uh, so you can tell the time. I'll just come at that time.
Fine. It depends like how much doubts you have. So can you just accumulate all your doubts today evening? So then I'll tell you the time slot.
Okay.
Do send me WhatsApp, okay, about all your doubts.
Okay.
All right. So guys, let's do one question. Okay, I want you all to do one question. This question you should solve, guys. CH3C. The question is CH3 CCl3 plus Ag. Guys, write it down. What will happen? Everyone, please write it down. It's very easy. Remember, again, there is a 2 moles. So it will balance 6. Now tell me what is the answer you will get. Everyone. So what will happen now? So can we write the whole setup like this? See, we can write it like this. CH3, CCl3. In between you put 6 Ag and plus again you write this. Guys, again you write it down, this one. So you can write it like this. Cl3, CCH3. Can everyone see this? So what's gonna happen, guys? Understand? You will remove this chlorine with silver. Guys, pay attention to this. Guys, see this. So you will remove this, right? Is everyone clear? Okay. So what will happen? Minus 6 AgCl, right? So what is left? CH3, C triple bond, C CH3. That is our answer. Okay, Ritvik, do you get it?
Sir.
Okay, everyone else? Guys, got it now?
Sir, will it always form like butene?
Not necessary because here it is ethyne, right? It depends what is the type of substance is given to you. You have to wherever you will remove the chlorine, wherever you will remove the chlorine, there only you'll do the joining of triple bond, right? The Tanishka, you got it, no?
Yes, sir.
So wherever the bond will break, that's how it will join by a triple bond. Okay,
Okay.
done. So guys, note it down. We'll go to our next part now. Now, if you all remember, I have explained you how do we convert alkynes in the vicinal form, vicinal dihalide. Now let's do geminal dihalide. How do we do? So let's do it over again. Okay. So write it down. Elimination. All of you give the headline elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. Okay. From first we'll do vicinal. You know, from vicinal dihalide. So let's discuss this one first. All of you write it down. We'll do the elimination reaction from vicinal dihalide. Okay, from the vicinal. So guys, see, I'll draw the. So tell me, what do you mean by vicinal dihalide? Vicinal dihalide means when the carbon, each carbon has one halogen. When both the halogens are on the same carbon, we call them geminal. I hope it is clear. Shreya, you got it, no? When carbon is on both different carbon, when the halogen is on different carbon, we call them vicinal. When the halogen is on same carbon, when called geminal, okay? Shreya got it? So first we are preparing from vicinal and it's a dihalide. So it's about two halogens, okay? It's a dihalide. So guys, please see this. We will take example R, CH, CH, Cl, H. Can you all see this? Now understand what are we going to do here first. In this case, what we can do, how do we do the elimination reaction? Tell me guys. We will do alcoholic KOH. You all know? In order to carry out elimination, we will do alcoholic KOH. Right, Ananya? We will
Yes,
do
sir.
the alcoholic KOH. So, alcoholic KOH carries out dehydrohalogenation. Remove the halogen and a hydrogen. Alpha beta elimination, right? So, now take one hydrogen, remove one hydrogen from anywhere and remove from halogen from anywhere, right? Because it's a vicinal one, right? So guys, do it. So let's do one thing. Let's remove this chlorine and let's remove this. So what will happen? Alpha beta elimination, their double bond will come up. So first it will form alkene. So let's form alkene first. So what do we get now? R CH double bond CH2. Yes or no? Tanishka, check this out. This is the correct answer. Are we getting this? But wait, we are not done. There is a chlorine also, no? So can I write this H2 like this? Yes. Yes, Tanishka, tell me. Tanishka, can you tell me? Can't hear you. Tanishka, do you have any doubt? Advitya, Ritvik, am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Anyways, understood till here, right? Did everyone understood? We removed hydrogen and halogen, right? Uh, Ananya, remember that always. Alcoholic KOH means dehydrohalogenation. Always remember this. Okay. So from wherever you remove the hydrogen and halogen, there only double bond will form. Ananya, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Always remember this. Now, once we have this alkene with a halogen, now what do? We will add NaNH2. What do we add? NaNH2, sodamide, right? So guys, write it down, Na plus NH2. So guys, write it down. We will do Na plus NH2 minus, right? We are adding NaNH2. All of you write it down. So what will happen? This this chlorine will be removed. My dear students, this chlorine will be taken up by the Na. So its NaCl is removed and this H plus will be taken up by NH2 minus. So ammonia gas is removed, NH3. Tell me now what is the leftover? Because here the hydrogen and halogen is removed, here triple bond will come up. So the answer is RCH triple bond CH. Advitya, do you get it? Tell me now. Ritvik, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you converted a vicinal dihalide to alkene and then later on by alkyne. So first you will use alcoholic KOH, then you will use sodamide NaNH2. Is it clear? Take a note of this. Now vicinal say we have learned. Now we will learn from geminal. So give the headline from geminal dihalide. So now we will discuss from geminal dihalide. From and also guys, please remember this Sunday uh, we are doing the revision on numericals practice on the mole concept. Yes. Okay. from geminal dihalide. Today, I need one more thing from everyone that you have to share me your timetable for your final exams. Okay. I think many people have exam in February, if I'm not wrong, correct? Yes, many people will have in Feb. Majority will have in Feb. Only Advitya is having it now. So when you have in February, right? And I have also told you, right? In February, I'll be taking a very, very important classes for grade 12 because in March we are starting grade 12. You all are aware of it, right? So 1st March till 15th March, you have a holiday. We are starting grade 12 from 16th March, right? But before I start grade 12, in February, I need to take some very, very important classes, which is a recall of 11th, which will be used in 12th. Only those parts of 11th which are used in 12th. So that is why I will plan your classes accordingly. So your exam and my class should not have a clash because if that happens, you might miss the classes, right? And that I don't want. Okay. One or two classes is fine because we have a recording option, but I will ensure that it should be a minimum overlapping. Okay. Is it clear? So that is why, guys, it will help me out plan your classes for February. So please do share me your schedule. Okay. Advitya, I think you don't have any exam in February, right? Advitya, do you hear me? Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, guys, from geminal dihalide. Now, geminal means in the vicinal you have seen both the halogens were on different carbon, but in this case, the same carbon will have both the halogen. Okay. So, let's take one good example. So, guys, take a note of this in geminal now. So, this you have R C Cl Cl C H3. So, guys, this is the best example we'll take. So tell me now, how will you convert now? What will you do? What will you do now? So what will you do? Ananya, can you tell me? Shreya, what can be done here? So first, what are we going to do? First, we'll add alcoholic KOH. This is the first application, followed by NaNH2. So I think we know what is the answer will happen. See, when you add alcoholic KOH, what will happen? This will be gone, this will be gone, right? When you use NaNH2, this will be gone and this will be gone. Guys, getting it? No? Tanishka, you're getting it? What I'm saying? Tanuj,
Yes, sir.
you're getting it now? When you use alcoholic KOH, these two will be gone. When you use NaH2, these two also will be gone. So when you use these alcoholic KOH, double bond will come up. And when you use this, the triple bond will come up. So final answer will be RC triple bond CH. Ananya, you understood?
Yes, sir.
It is so easy, right? So whether it is geminal or it is vicinal, the method is same to same. Advitya, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Advitya, I was asking you, I think you missed the question. February, you don't have any exam, right?
No.
So your case, it's not a problem. Okay. Guys, take a note of it. Okay. So I have written it directly, but remember, first you will remove these two, double bond will come up. So it will form this via alkene, just like above, okay? So you can remove H and Cl from wherever you want to. You remove this or this or this or that, whatever, up to you. Is it clear? Just the only don't do that removing H and Cl together. Never do that, okay? We remove one alpha and form one beta, okay? Alpha is the one which has a halogen, beta is the one who has a neighbor, hydrogen, okay? All right. So, guys, it's time for some questions. Let me give you a question now. My dear students, tell me now. It's time for question. Let's see who gets this. Okay. Today you will be tested. And more than you will be tested, I will be tested. How good am I teaching? Okay. So let's see. Don't come up with the answer until you are very much sure. This is a easy one. See, my first question is always easy. Slowly, slowly, we'll go to the hard one. Guys, solve this question. It should not take much time. Be quick. Please tell me, first of all, is it vicinal or geminal? Is it vicinal or geminal, guys? Yes, very good. It is vicinal because there are two different carbons. Okay, good. Now solve this. Write the answer directly. No, direct writing, right? No. In exam, you do the process, right? You have learned. Okay, everyone done? Ritvik, did you got the answer? See, there is two carbons, right? There is two carbon, correct? So this carbon has a bromine, it means it must have a hydrogen, right? So what you'll do in the first case, you will remove the bromine from here and hydrogen from here. In the second case, what we'll do? You will remove the bromine from here and hydrogen from here. So what will happen? They will have a triple bond. There is nothing in this question. So the answer is this. Did everyone got this? Kindly confirm. Everyone else?
Yes, sir.
Good. It was a easy peasy question. Huh? First question was very easy. Now we'll start with a difficult one. So guys, it's time for the next question now. Let me see how many people. See, those people will be only able to solve this question who has done the revision of alkane and alkene. Let's check it out. So guys, the question is, right? Phenyl means benzene ring, right? If I write pH, what does it mean? It's a phenyl group, benzene ring, right? So, so guys, this is the compound. All of you see this properly. In the center, I want it to be. Check this compound first of all. It's a alkene, where both carbons are attached with a halogen. Sorry, with a benzene, right? Now, in this, what we are doing, the question says that in this compound, we are adding a chlorine in the presence of CCl4. Okay, sounds very familiar. It looks very familiar. We have done this reaction in the past classes. Okay. After that, it says, the question says, it forms something X. It forms something X that you have to find out. Then the question continues, whatever has formed here, now what we are adding is, we are adding 2Na NH2. Now remember, we are not adding alcoholic KOH. We are directly adding NaNH2. Okay, and how many? Two of them. Then the question says it forms something Y. Now whatever has formed on the Y, we add something more. And what do we add here? We add hydrogen in palladium with CaCO3. Guys, and it says it forms something Z. The question is asking identify X, Y, and Z. This is for 3 marks. Guys, solve this question. Give a try, everyone. I want everyone to give a try. You will get it wrong. That is the maximum thing can happen. So don't worry. Just try, and you all are allowed to flip the notes of the past class. So you all can look at your notes on the previous class. Pranav, you try. See, sorry. See, X is very easy. We can get very X easily, right? What will happen in X? Can anyone tell me the idea? Anyone who can tell me what do we get in the X? Yeah. What do we get in the X, guys? ये बगल वाले क्लास इसमें तो क्लास फिलहाल आप इसमें कर सकते हो अभी तब तक ये भी हो जाएगा और वो बाहर जो हाँ और जो बाहर सीढ़ी है ना उसको भी थोड़ा साफ कर देना आप ठीक है खाली नहीं है वो लोग है बस तो एडजस्ट कर लें guys can I know what is the answer Shreya can you tell me what do we do in the first case where is Shreya can you hear me
Yes, sir.
yes Shreya now tell me first one is very easy how many chlorine is there Shreya
2.
two now you tell me where these two chlorine will go it's a simple addition method right alkene undergo addition we'll add these to it now Shreya you tell me where these two chlorine will be added tell me so it will be added so guys where it will get added please tell me Ritvik, can you tell me the answer? Where do we add? Hmm? Everyone is quiet. Tanuj, Tanishka, Ananya, guys, tell me anyone, speak up.
Confused as to whether the chlorine will remove the it
Yes,
will
very good, very good. Yes, just a second, guys. The power. 1 second, 1 second. Yes. Yeah. So, Pranav, where it will get added? It will be added here and here, right? On the double bonded carbons. Is everyone clear? Guys, kindly confirm. Advitya, is my voice is clear? I'm not getting any response from everyone.
That's clear.
Okay.
would the chlorine replace the phenol or the hydrogen on the double bonded carbons?
Yes, very good. So first of all, let's write the first answer. So you'll add one chlorine here and one chlorine here. So what will happen? So it will be a pH, CH, Cl. Now double bond will reduce to single bond because when you are adding, carbon cannot have more than 4 bonds, right? So the double bond will get reduced. Now here what we get? pH and here we'll add another Cl guys. Okay. Now we have got the X. Now see, remember there is no alcoholic KOH. It's direct NaNH2. It is a direct NaNH2. Now tell me what's going to happen here. NaNH2, what do we remove? So it's saying you are adding NaNH2 directly 2 times. You are not adding. They are not adding alcoholic KOH. So what's going to happen? Everyone think about it. Please think about the possibility. I'll give you 30 seconds.
Would it be phenyl C triple bond C phenyl?
What it will be? Yes, it's easy. Good job. So what's gonna happen? First, you'll remove this chlorine halogen, and you will remove the halogen. So what will happen? A double bond will come up, and then because the two times you are adding, so what's gonna happen? Again, you will remove the halogen and you'll remove the hydrogen. Ananya, you getting it? Advitya,
Yes.
Tanuj, Shreya, you getting it? No? So it
Yes.
means our Y compound is PHC. Pranav, see this carefully. PHC triple bond CPH. So this is what we'll get. Am I right? Now coming to the final part. Tell me what do we get here? Hydrogen, palladium and CaSO4. Sorry, CaCO3. What do we get here, guys? Tell me now.
So we're back to the first compound.
Yeah, all of you see this. I'll just say aside. Tanishka, you are saying something?
We're finally getting the first one that we started
No,
with,
no, no.
right?
It is not a catalytic hydrogenation. No, it's not. Please see this reagent carefully. It's not a catalytic hydrogenation. Understand that. It is something else. If you turn your pages, you will see. Guys, please look at it. Guys, one more thing, understand. We are not adding four hydrogen. We are only adding two hydrogen, right? So only two hydrogens are adding. Remember I told you something called as Birch reduction, right? Where you get like trans alkene and then there was one more reaction where we get cis alkene, right? So this is the one. Okay, there we will get the cis formation, okay? Cis alkene we will get. So what is the answer? How do we write it? All of you see this? C double bond C, okay? Because you're adding a hydrogen, no? So one hydrogen here, and the bigger groups are on the same side. Remember what I told you, the bigger groups are on the same side and the angle between them should be how much? 90 degrees. In trans, the angle is 180 degrees. Very good. So this is your cis. Your answer is cis. Cis alkene. So this is your compound number Z. Okay. Ananya, you clear? Shreya, Prithvik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right, guys. So we'll do one more question now. If you all are done, can we go to the next question now? Okay. Guys, now tell me what is the next question answer. Tanuj, do you have any doubt? Advitya, Tanuj, Shreya, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's see how will you deal with this. Now we'll increase the level by level. You have to think. Okay. Guys, it's not about getting the right answer. It's about getting the right approach. So you were able to get X and Y, right? You were able to connect with the class which we did just now. But the Z compound was done some two classes back. That is why I think you people have forgot. That's why revision is very, very important. Is it clear? So now let's do this question now. CH3, then you have C triple bond C, okay, and CH3. Guys, first of all, see this very carefully. This is your compound, this is your question, okay? Now what we are doing, we are we are adding hydrogen in palladium, okay, in the presence of quinoline. Now tell me what is the answer will come up. This time it's not CaCO3, but it is quinoline. Tell me, guys. Guys, tell me what is the answer you get. Pranav? Yes, Ritvik, can you tell me the answer? Ananya? See, the previous one was forming cis alkene. When quinoline is there, it will be transalkene. So the answer will be transform. Is everyone getting it? Ananya, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So answer will be trans. Oh wait, what I am doing. So guys, see this? Write down everyone transform. The bigger group will be in the opposite direction. So these are the two carbons. Now see, CH3 and CH3. Now tell me what is the angle between the two groups? 180 degree. It's a transform, right? That's all. Done. These two hydrogen you added. Okay, this is the transalkene. Trans. So remember, be ready. This kind of questions will come in the exam. Okay, write it down. Now we'll do next question. Okay.
So why is this trans instead of cis?
See, that is in detailed mechanism. For now, you need to remember this. Mechanism, we don't have to do it now. Okay. You need to remember the reagent which gives cis form and which gives trans form. Okay. Ritvik, you got it right. You need to remember the
Yes, sir.
reagent
So
who
sir, if
forms
we add
cis and trans.
quinoline, it will be transform,
Trans,
right?
yes, absolutely, yes, correct. Okay. So Tanishka, take a note of this. When quinoline is there, you will get transalkene. See, the
Okay,
bigger
sir.
groups are on opposite direction. Bond angle is 180 degree. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Now, for the next question, let me see how many people will get the answer. Okay. See, for the next question, I will tell you what you have to do. And after that, you have to try to get the answer. It means if I am guiding you, still I am telling you have to get the answer. That means it might be a bit tricky. Okay. So let's see. So if you want my help, I'll give you a hint. I'll drop you a hint. But if you don't need my help, then you can solve. Okay. When you say hint gives hint, sir, then I'll give the hints. Okay. So guys, let's solve this question now. So first of all, see the question. This is your question compound. Carefully. See it. It's not a benzene ring. Be careful about it. Dear students, it's not a benzene ring. It's a cyclohexane. Can you see that? It's not a benzene ring. Be careful. I have not done any error. There's no benzene. Now the question is telling you that we are using lithium in liquid ammonia. Guys, lithium in liquid ammonia. Tell me which reagent is that? Where you have studied it? Lithium in liquid ammonia. We have studied this somewhere in alkane or alkene, right? Think over it, check the notes. We did this reaction. Think of it, that is your hint. So you have to write the product. So guys, you have to write a product. What will be the answer? Guys, lithium in liquid ammonia, what will you get? Tell me now. Anyone tell me, guys? So I'll tell you, lithium in liquid ammonia gives, yes, Tanishka, you're saying something.
Sir, is it transalkene?
Yes, it forms transalkene. It will be a transalkene. Pranav, you got it? See, I'm basically giving you same reactions in different ways with different reagents. So lithium in liquid ammonia also gives you transalkene. Now the question is, how will you write transalkene for this? Give a try. Remember, the group should be on the different side. So put a carbon here, and what do we do? There should be a cyclo whatever, you know. Then, guys, I think everyone's clear. Tell me the answer. Did you all get it? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone got the answer? Okay. This was a easy question, okay? Now let's make it more hard. So guys, let's do the same question with a different compound. So now my question and challenge is to you is, so guys, be ready for that. Let me see. You be this time you will be knowing what you have to do, but still I want to see how you do. Okay. Uh, C triple bond C. Then you have single bond C, triple bond C, and then you will have this. Yes. Now, guys, give a try. Now, Tanishka, same thing. Add lithium in liquid ammonia. You know you will get transalkene. Now I want to see the transalkene. How will you do it? See, there are two triple bonds. So remember, both of them will get reduced, okay? Guys, solve this. Ritvik, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, tell me how will you do this? Ananya, did you finish it? Guys, if you're done, I want to see. Pranav? Okay, you're doing it. Guys, let me know. Who finishes it? Let me know. I want to see your answer. Okay, I'll give you two options. Guys, I'll give you two options. Will it be, I'll draw two options to make it things easier for you. See, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the fourth carbon. It should be having a connectivity with the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So guys, this is one of the option A. The another option B is something like this. So it must should have 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth. Hmm. So guys, tell me which answer is the trans one. You all know liquid ammonia, right? In lithium will give trans. Tell me which one is the trans form. I have made it easier. Ananya, can you tell me the answer? Shreya, A or B? Who is the answer? Pranav, tell me. Is it A or B? Who is the trans form? See, there are four carbons. All of you pay attention here. There are four carbons. One, two, three, four. Correct? There also these four carbons are highlighted. One, two, three, four. Here also one, two, three, four. My dear students, now please tell me. See, there is a small diagram error I have done, but that's okay. I mean, this, wait, I'll fix it. This ring should be exactly here, like this. Now the diagram is perfect. Guys, so tell me what is the answer? Who is the cis form? Who is the trans form? Guys, why there is a silence? I gave the answer also. You just have to choose.
So B is the transform.
B is the transform or A is the transform. Pakka B. So Ritvik says B. Anyone? Ananya? I'm curious to know your answer.
Sir, I think A is the transform.
A is the transform. Okay. Now there's a conflict. One vote is so Tanishka has told A. Ritvik has told B. Pranav, what is your vote? Who is the transform? A or B? B. Okay. So Pranav also says B. And Advitya,
So I think it's A.
okay, we are in a very close fight, two versus two. Okay, now Advitya has told Ananya, what is your answer?
Sir, I think it's A.
Okay, Ananya says A. Tanuj, what is your answer?
So B.
B. Now tell me one thing. Is it boy versus girls happening? Okay. Shreya, what is your answer?
A.
Shreya is saying A. Okay, I think guys, it's very simple. Let me tell you now. See, trans means the bigger groups are on the opposite. So let's explore A first, where all the girls have voted, right? So guys, see here, if this is the double bond, right? Right? If this is the double bond, it means if the bigger groups is here, there is a hydrogen, right? And if the bigger group is there, getting my point what I'm saying? That means there is a hydrogen, right? Correct? Now similarly, check this out. If the double bond is here, wait, I'll use a different ink. If the double bond is here, so you see the if the bigger group is here, okay, the hydrogen is here, right? And here the hydrogen is here. Getting my point? Here, Opposite and here same. Now you tell me who is the cis form and who is the trans form. Exactly. So B is the right answer. So everyone, please take a note, guys. B is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Pranav. Good job. Guys, please take a note of this. Okay. Here also, if you want to check in this double bond also, you can check here. You can check in this double bond also. In this double bond also, if you see, the hydrogen is here, right? And the hydrogen is here. Basically, this is a cis form and this is the trans form. So, this is a wrong answer. This is a correct answer. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
Advitya, Tanvi, and Shreya, did you all take a note of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tanishka, yes. So, guys, how was the question? I hope the question you all liked it. Huh? So, how we did? We just reduced the triple bond to double bond as expected. And apart from that, what we did is what we did, the bigger groups is attached, and here also the double bond. We ensure that a bigger group should not come here. It should be on the same other side. Sorry, I was talking about this. On the other side. Guys, got it now? Everyone? This question was from the MCQs, so obviously you'll have the option and then you can choose, right? You have a cis or trans and you know which is a cis and trans. So both things are important. You should be able to identify who is cis and trans, and it's also important to know when cis and trans, which reagent gives cis and trans. So I think by doing these questions, you got a very good idea, right? Everyone, Ritvik, you got it now? Okay. Guys, I think the video is a bit lagging. Okay. So guys, we'll do another question now. Okay. Now, the next question, my dear student, is now look at the question very, very carefully. See, it's a pentagon. Pentagon with a double bond. Then there is a twist. There's a carbon with a triple bond. And then this carbon is connected with a, with a double bond. So guys, it's a pentagon with a double bond. It's a hexagon. It's a cyclopentane, pentene, and cyclohexene. Okay. So guys, first of all, see the question. Look at the question carefully, all of you. Now, in the question, they are asking, they are first adding hydrogen in with palladium and BaSO4. Guys, tell me which reagent is this? Hydrogen in palladium with BaSO4. Have you heard of Linder's catalyst? Right? So, guys, after this, they also added quinoline. Quinoline. It's a big hint. Either you add a quinoline or you poison it by sulfur to reduce the activity. I think you might remember. Poisoning with sulfur or adding quinoline. After that, what they're telling, this is the first addition you did. After that, they're telling, after that second time, what we did, they added dilute KMNO4 in excess. Okay, at room temperature. At room temperature. Guys, try this question now. The question is asking, find the product, find the product, find the product and check the number of Hydroxyl. What is hydroxyl, guys? Hydroxyl means OH group. And check the number of hydroxyl group. Guys, solve this question now. It's a very good question. Don't get scared because the compound is too big. Nothing like that. Just apply the right logic, you will get the answer. Okay. So, first of all, you need to think about hydrogen, palladium, and quinoline. So, what's going to happen? Cis form or trans form? Everyone tell me cis or trans. What do we get, guys? Advitya, Ananya, Shreya, Ritvik, Tanuj. Guys, tell me cis or trans, cis or trans, cis or trans. Hmm? Just we did just now, no, sometime back. Check. It cannot be trans. Are you sure we have done trans? Is it cis or trans? Notebook.
Cis, sir.
Yeah, everyone is telling it correct. See here. Yes. Understand, they have added a BSO4 and quinoline. Okay, so it will be cis. Okay. So guys, how do we write the cis form now? Tell me. How do we write a cis form? Cis form may this pentagon and hexagon will be on the same side. So let's draw it. So while writing the answer, check. So first of all, it's a pentagon with a double bond. Then what do we have? Two carbons. So here it is down, right? It means the hydrogen is here, right? Is it clear? So here also we'll add a hydrogen and we will draw. Guys, got it? This is your answer. Everyone check. I mean, we are not done yet. We are not done yet. We only just did one reaction. Everyone check. Guys, please check it out. Now in this, you are adding dilute KMnO4. Now guys, tell me what is the role of KMnO4? It's a very strong oxidizing agent, right? So, and also they are adding in excess. So guys, tell me the answer. What is going to happen? Think about it. You know what's going to happen? Wherever the double bonds are there, it will form alcohol, OH. OH group will come up. So as a result, what is the answer we will get? So first of all, in this pentagon, we will have two OH groups. Guys, see this? For this double bond, here and here, right? OH group will come up. Now, after this, in this carbon also one OH. Okay, in this carbon also one OH. And after that, leave it hydrogen, it's not necessary to have, right? And what's going to happen now? Here also, when it's a hexagon, right? So how many OH will come up? One OH here and one OH here. So total how many OH? For the question, answer is 6 hydroxyl groups. That is your answer. Guys, take a note of this. Ritvik, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So what we did understand in simple logic, when KMnO4 was added, so what we did between carbon and a hydrogen, we inserted one oxygen. See, this carbon has how many bonds? Four bonds, right? So what we did between carbon and hydrogen, we inserted one oxygen. Between carbon and hydrogen, what we added? We inserted one oxidation happens, right? Here also, this carbon has how many bond? Tell me. This carbon has how many bond, guys? One, two, three, right? That means one hydrogen is there. So one hydrogen was there, right? So in this hydrogen, we inserted one Oxygen. Similarly, this also has how many bonds? Correct. So we inserted one oxygen. Guys, understood the logic, right? It is so easy. Is it clear for everyone? Ananya, can you
Yes, sir.
confirm?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, take a note of it. Now, now I'll tell you the last reaction of alkynes. Okay, finally we are finishing the alkynes. So one last reaction, guys. Write it down. Reaction of terminal alkyne. Guys, it is a reaction of terminal alkyne with metal ions. Reaction of terminal alkyne with metal ion. It's very, very important topic, guys. Please take a note of this. This is going to be your headline. Reaction of terminal alkyne with metal ion. Okay. Please take a note. Now, before I tell you this, remember one thing. What do you mean by terminal alkyne, first of all? Terminal alkyne means the triple bond will be in the last position or the first position. Means on the ending or in the beginning. Terminal means side, you know. See, tell me one thing. How many people have seen the railway? Train. Have you seen the train, the engine, which pulls the entire train, right? It's always on the terminal, right? In either of the endings, right? Have you seen the engine in between? Never, right? Exactly. So that's what terminal alkynes are. The triple bond always will be in the ending. Is it clear? Guys, got it? No? Ending or beginning, whatever. So now understand here what I'm trying to tell. The terminal alkyne, the hydrogen, is highly acidic. Write a note point, guys. Terminal alkyne has, all of you write a note point, guys. So I'll write a note point here. Terminal alkyne. Oh, one second. Terminal alkyne has acidic hydrogen. So terminal alkyne has acidic hydrogen. Please write it down, guys. Terminal alkyne has acidic hydrogen. Okay. And remember, when this acidic hydrogen will come in contact with metal ion, they get replaced. Replaced by, write it down, replaced by metal ions, which is replaced by metal ions. Yes. So now we are going to do one question. So guys, this is the example of terminal alkyne RC triple bond CH. Now can you see the triple bond is present in the last carbon or in the first, right? And its hydrogen is highly acidic. So this basically, this hydrogen is it's highly acidic. Now I'll show you one more example now. RC triple bond CR. Now tell me, is it a terminal alkyne? Yes or no, guys? Tell me, is this example is a terminal alkyne? Yes or no? It's not, because the triple bond is present in between. Okay, so it is not a terminal alkyne. Is it clear? Ananya, you understood this? Advitya, guys, confirm it once.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will do the reaction, guys. So we will do the reaction with Tollens reagent. Now we will do the reaction with. So what are we choosing in metal ion? Reaction with Tollens reagent. Okay, reaction with Tollens reagent. So guys, on behalf of the metal ion, we are choosing Tollens reagent. This is the reaction you need to learn. You need to remember what is Tollens reagent. So Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate solution. Write it down. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. Okay, is it clear, guys? Ammonical silver nitrate solution. So how the formula you'll write? It is silver. Okay, this is the amine, two of them, and outside there is a base. Guys, write it down. This is the formula of ammonical silver nitrate solution. Guys, write it down. This is the formula of ammonical silver nitrate solution, Tollens reagent. This formula you have to remember. So what metal ion is there? Silver. What is the metal ion here? Silver.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
Yes, Ritvik, I'll just do it. Is it fine? Is this much is okay?
Yes, sir.
Write it down. All right. So guys, now let's see. So why do we do this reaction? We do this reaction to check whether the alkynes is terminal or not. It's a test to check the terminal alkynes, because the terminal alkynes is, if it's there will be a acidic hydrogen, and that acidic hydrogen will give the reaction with the metal ion such as ammonical silver nitrate solution, which is a Tollens reagent. What is it? Tollens reagent. Okay. So this can be a test also. Remember, it is a test reaction. It is a test reaction. It's very, very important. You need to know. It is a test reaction for terminal alkynes, because only terminal alkynes give this test. Tanishka, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see the reaction, how the reaction will take place. So when we take a terminal alkyne, see this is the acidic hydrogen, right? And when we will have a reaction with this plus Ag, you need to remember the formula NH3. Sorry. Ag, then NH3 whole twice, and after that what you have, plus and OH minus. Guys, this is the reaction. Now, if you see it's a base, you know, base is like a Romeo, and we'll call the H plus, acidic H plus, right? Like a Juliet, right? For every acid there is a base. Similarly, for every OH there is a H plus. Yes or no? Guys, getting it? No? What I'm saying? So guys, see what will happen now. So when this reaction will take place, this is the acidic hydrogen, okay? So H2, H plus and OH minus, what does it forms? H2O, yes or no? And what's gonna happen? Silver, right? Metal ion. So metal ion basically metal ion will replace this H. Correct? So what do you get? RC triple bond CAG. Can you all see that? The silver will replace the hydrogen position. Guys, one more thing. The ammonia gas will be liberated. So it form ammonia gas. So when the bad foul smell will come up, you will say the reaction is successful. It means the given alkyne is a terminal alkyne. Because this is your test. When a foul smell comes up, foul smell of ammonia. Tanishka, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Foul bad smell of ammonia will come up. Okay. One more thing. If I take something like this with the Ag and NH3 whole twice OH minus. So guys, what's going to happen? Because there is no acidic hydrogen, so there will be no reaction, no bad smell. It means it's not a terminal alkyne. I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, for one last time, please confirm. Did everyone got it? Ananya, Advitya? Okay. Ritvik, Tanuj, Shreya,
Yes, sir.
Tanuj, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Tanishka.
You got it, sir.
All right. So guys, I believe the hydrocarbon is still due. So we'll plan one more extra class next week. So, but first, let's do this Sunday, the mole concept revision. And then next week, two things will happen. First, we will finish the benzene aromatic hydrocarbons. Second, I think Tanvi and some more students have, requested about the revision class on chemical bonding and also on the equilibrium, right? So we'll line up, we'll do all the revisions. All right. So let's keep it here, guys. Okay. And let's meet on Sunday for the class. Sunday, the class will be at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. So please be here at 9:30. Okay. All right. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye, Pranav. Pranav, make sure you do revision. Okay. Today you've learned a lot of things, new things, right? So you go and practice and revise. Yeah, for the test on Monday. Yes, you will get it on Monday. All right. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye. 10th वाला आएगा और वो साकेत आएगा तो यहाँ क्लास लेंगे
audible? Can everyone hear me? Hello? Neil, Anugrah, Sharanya, Vaishnavi, am I audible, guys? Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah. So, guys, first of all, uh, Vaishnavi, you have an exam, pre-board exam. Vivaan, you also have a pre-board exam next week. This weekend. So, you all have a doubt in half a chapter with isomerism and IUPAC, right? So, let's. What happened, Bharat? That's good. So you can answer, then I'll go. So let's do a quick revision. Then only we can go for if and all. Okay. Clear for everyone? So let me share screen. Neil, can you see my screen? Neil, update it once. Vaishnavi, can you see my screen?
So we can see the screen, but it's blank.